Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of smiles.
Yes, I'm Daniel, and this is my best friend, Sarah.
Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to talk at the bus station.
Oh yes, the bus station, the place where people wait. And sometimes the bus is late.
True, Daniel, but don't worry. After today's lesson, you'll know exactly what to say at the bus station in real English.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who love learning English. Let's go!
So, Daniel, how are you today?
I'm good, but I almost missed the bus this morning.
Oh no, what happened?
I was at the wrong platform.
That's funny. Everyone, platform means the place where the bus or train stops for passengers.
Yes, and I was waiting at platform 3, but my bus was at platform 5.
Oops. So remember, friends, check your platform number carefully.
Exactly. And what about you, Sarah? How was your morning?
I'm great. I bought a coffee, saw a cute dog at the station, and the weather is sunny. Perfect for travel.
Nice. Then let's start our bus station adventure.
Hi, Daniel. Are you ready for our trip?
Yes, but I don't know where to buy the ticket.
No problem. Let's ask. Excuse me, where can we buy bus tickets?
At the ticket counter, right over there.
Thank you.
Okay. Hello. I'd like 2 tickets to the city center, please. Ticket clerk.
Sure, that'll be $5 each. Here you go.
Thank you. The bus leaves from platform 2 at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you very much.
See, Daniel, easy.
Yes, and now I know new words like ticket counter and platform.
Look, that's our bus.
Oh no, it's leaving.
Relax. It's on time, not late.
That's good.
Friends, on time means the bus arrives at the correct time, and late means it comes after the time.
Yes, for example, my bus is late again.
Or, I am happy, the bus is on time.
Good job, Sarah. Thank you. Now, let's talk to the bus driver.
Good morning. Is this the bus to the city center?
Yes, it is. Please get in.
Thank you. Is there a toilet on the bus?
No, sorry, but it's only a short journey, about 1 hour. Journey means the time you travel from one place to another.
Ah, got it. Thank you, driver.
You're welcome. Please take a seat.
Daniel, look. So many people.
Yes, they're all passengers.
Passengers are the people who travel in a bus, train, plane, or car.
Exactly. And everyone is waiting in a queue.
Right. Queue means a line of people waiting for something, like a bus or tickets.
Yes, and remember, friends, don't push, be polite, and wait in a queue.
Good manners make travel better.
Number 1, bus station, the big place where buses come and go.
Number 2, ticket, the paper or card that lets you travel.
Number 3, driver, the person who drives the bus.
Number 4, passenger, the person who travels on the bus.
Number 5, platform, the area where you wait for your bus.
Number 6, queue, a line of people waiting.
Number 7, schedule, the list of times when buses arrive or leave.
Number 8, journey, your travel time or trip.
Number 9, late, not on time.
And number 10, on time, perfect timing.
Excellent! Let's make some practice sentences together.
Say it with us. Ready?
Say, the bus is late. Now say, the bus is on time.
Good job. And one more. I'm waiting in the queue.
Perfect! You're learning real English.
Sarah, do you know what I learned today?
What's that, Daniel?
that life is like waiting for a bus. Sometimes it's late, sometimes it's early, but it always comes.
That's beautiful. Yes, friends, be patient, be kind, and your bus, your chance, will come too.
So don't worry if your English is slow today. Your English bus is coming soon. Just keep learning.
Thank you, everyone, for watching today's lesson, How to Talk at the Bus Station.
We hope you had fun and learned some new words.
Now, tell us in the comments, how do you go to school or work? By bus, train, or car?
Yes, write your answer in English and we'll read your comments.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so more friends can learn English with a smile.
See you next time, travelers. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Safe journey.